Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can remove a whitelist or a VIP contact number on your Oppo phone. So let's start. First, you need to go to your dialer, then go to contacts. Now scroll down and go to the contact you want to remove. As you can see, this number is a VIP contact or a whitelist number. So what is that number? It means that you can receive their call even when your mobile is in do not disturb mode. So let's say I want to remove this. Now tap on these three dots and here you will see remove from VIP contacts. Tap on it and remove. Now as you can see the number is removed from the whitelist and VIP list. So I will not receive any call from him when my mobile is on do not disturb mode. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and subscribe and I will see you in next video.